If you dock at the small port of Kalama, along the Columbia River, in Washington state, you will find a compact, walkable area that includes a quirky riverfront lodge known for its secret rooms, a grassy park, and a large timber frame market. We start our quick tour by visiting the McMenamins Kalama Harbor Lodge. In front of the lodge, you find towering totem poles, carved by renowned artist Chief Don Lelooska, Don Smith. These landmarks celebrate the region's indigenous culture and Northwest Coast artistic style. Despite the seemingly colossal size of these poles, they are actually shorter than the most famous one that once stood at this port. The original 140-foot pole was damaged by years of exposure, so it was taken down, restored, and moved for protection inside the Mountain Timber Lodge that we will visit later in this video. The McMenamins Kalama Harbor Lodge is a hotel and restaurant, modeled after the 1903 Pioneer Inn in Maui. The lodge's architecture and decor pay tribute to John Kalama, the Hawaiian carpenter for whom the town is named. The lodge is famous for its secret rooms, hidden behind nondescript walls and artwork. Pushing against the wall opens up hidden areas. The first one we found was called the Little Room. It has glowing black light art and a playful rock and opera theme. Small, moody, and unexpected, it's a fun and eclectic surprise, with background music from the Grateful Dead to dramatic operatic pieces. There are more rooms to be found, and some are connected like this sea and sun theme room. Beyond the secrets, the lodge serves as the social anchor for the waterfront, with its on-site brewery, pub, and outdoor patios. After our little scavenger hunt, we crossed the port's front yard. A 5-acre greenbelt with open lawns, picnic pavilions, and a playground. The Mountain Timber Market is the other main building at this port, located across the park from the hotel. It is a picturesque setting and a popular spot for riverside picnics. Mountain Timber Market is a 33,000 square foot, 2-story marketplace, designed to honor the original Mountain Timber Company mill that burned down on the site in 1914. While the exterior has a rustic, timber frame design, the inside is bright and airy. It has a lively mix of over 30 vendor stalls and 11 storefronts, including artisans, galleries, and food purveyors, acting as an incubator for local small businesses. There are areas for visitors to eat and relax, and the space also offers event venues for weddings and meetings. Finally, on the second floor, you can view the famous 140-foot Lelooska totem pole. The massive pole, carved from a single 700-year-old western red cedar, was taken down, painstakingly restored, and relocated here for protection from the elements in 2023. We hope you enjoyed this quick visit to the Port of Kalama, Washington. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.